All right, you guys, now the winter is right around the corner and you know what that means. It's grind time. So I'm going to show you how I did this glueless install and we're going to talk about how to get ready for next summer. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy and I'm back with another hair sponsor, one that is not new to my channel at all, by the way. Thank you so much, Dorhair. They sent me this lace closure wig and the texture is deep wave. Y'all know I love my deep wave hair and I also love doing lace closure installs because they're so quick and easy. So I'm gonna name 3 reasons why y'all should own a lace closure wig this winter, all right? Number 1 is it's so easy to install. You don't have to be a professional at all. All you have to do is be able to put on a hat. Literally, just make sure that your hair is flat underneath and just put it on. Number 2 is if you like to be totally comfortable while you're asleep, a lace closure wig is for you because you can take it off and you don't have to sleep with all that hair on your neck and in your face. You can just take it off, put it on your dresser, and put it back on in the morning before you leave the house. Number 3, besides the convenience and the comfort, y'all look at this hairline. Okay, lace closure wigs can look just as natural as the frontals. Now the only difference is no, it doesn't go from ear to ear, but it's still fleeky nonetheless. And I also have a reason why you should get curly hair too is number 1, you don't have to worry about flat ironing it or curling it or molding it and things like that. Really, all you have to do is wet it, add your favorite curly hair products, and it's so easy to maintain. Now, one thing I will say is curly hair does tend to dry out after a few hours, so make sure you always have your paddle brush, your water spray bottle, a leave-in conditioner or a hair lotion, and your favorite foam. All right, so like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, y'all, the winter is right around the corner and that means grind time. Okay, no more summer, no more hot girl summer, no none of that. Okay, if you still going to the club in the winter time, you bored. You must be bored, but it's all good. All right, so number 1 is even though I know it's cold outside and all we want to eat is chili and cornbread and pasta and things like that, try to maintain a healthy diet through the winter because you don't want to come out next summer with an extra 30 pounds on you, okay? So even though we want to be cozy and snuggly and, you know, lay up all day, try to at least keep your eating options healthy. All right, so number 2. Now, every single summer, we be like, okay, I'm about to get ready for my summer body, but we always start 30 days before. Okay, so listen, this year we're doing it different and we're getting our summer body ready 6 months in advance. So this winter, listen, at least 3 days out the week, we're going to the gym, okay? Now, I'm a hiker. I like being outside, but with the cold weather, I can't even do it. So I have to force myself to go to the gym this winter so I can, you know, still keep up with my body goals. All right, you guys, so number 3. Now it's gonna be cold, so you already know we're gonna be cooped up in the house and we're gonna be forced to be inside. So let's go ahead and, hey, make that time worth our while. Let's create content, create. All right, or if we're not creating, let's learn. Watch YouTube videos about things that we want to master, read books, take online seminars. Like, let's really use that time wisely. All right, so let's say we're planning on, I don't know, launching a business in April, like in the beginning of spring or something, right? Let's go ahead and create like a master plan, a master marketing plan, a campaign, get hundreds of bottles of the product ready, you know, with packaging and all, and really just prepare for the launch. Like for real, before you actually launch a new business, it really takes like at least 6 months to get all the planning together, promotion together, all the products together. And what better time than the winter? Yes, you guys. So one thing I will say is last winter, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard for me because, like I said before, I'm like an outside type of girl. I love hiking and I really don't like the cold, like at all. I'm not used to it. I'm not even prepared for the winter. I don't even have winter clothes. So last year I ended up gaining a lot of weight. Like I gained like 20 pounds and I wasn't even productive because if I wasn't getting no sun or no exercise, that really makes me depressed. So this year I'm going to try my absolute hardest to stay productive and stay grounded and level-headed so I don't get in that rut that I did last winter. Now, another thing actually that you can do to use your time wisely in the winter time, something that I did last year, by the way, is I learned so much about myself. Now, this type of research didn't necessarily have to do anything with my businesses or making money, but I gained such a immense level of self-awareness during this time. Like, it was crazy. While I was in my apartment, I finally had time to really do deep research on my natal chart, search my sign, and like all the complexities of the Aquarius energy. And y'all, I just learned so much about myself and about the signs and nature and sciences. Like, that was the most information I took in such a short period of time. So for me personally, I feel like this winter, just being what, 2 months away, I probably won't be into astrology as much as I was the year before, just because I just did so much research on that and I'm not as, I guess, compelled to do more at this time, but I definitely want to go crazy with my content. Like, I have to, because I feel like I've been taking a break this year, especially like in the summertime. I was really outside, y'all. And I really wasn't doing no work for real. I was really just, you know, paying my bills for real and just doing the bare minimum. But this winter, I really want to catch up on my content, you know, put some new ideas that I had into fruition and just really go crazy. And by the way, I do have a few surprises for you guys coming on this channel very, very soon, which I'm so excited to announce, but I'm not going to give you guys no clues yet because y'all are just going to love it. I don't want to spoil it for you guys. So yes, I'm definitely going to be working on some new stuff, new content, new products, new everything. All right, you guys, so that was just a few tips and tricks that you can apply to make your winter productive so you won't be sleeping and eating all winter. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get back into this install. All right, so I'm at the very end now and I'm using my pink hot comb from galaxygirlhair.com to make the roots nice and flat. Now, before I used to just put foam on the top of curly hair, but as I've been seeing other type of techniques and other trends, I see a lot of stylists that actually make it straight first and like let that go into curly hair, and I've been liking that technique a lot, right? So this is the final result and I am in love, and I know she loved it as well. Once again, thank you so much, Dorhair, for sponsoring this video with this deep wave lace closure wig that we installed glueless. All right, so if you want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later, and make this winter a productive one, y'all.